Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to turn off dark mode here on Word. This is pretty simple and you can do it on just a few steps, right? So we will start. As you can see, I have Word on dark mode because all the pages are in black. So basically, if I want to go back to the light theme, the only thing that I have to do is to press on File. Now I have to press on Account. And now I can change my theme here on Office theme. As you can see, I can put it on white again. I also can turn it on gray, or we can put it on use system settings. So this is very simple, and here you can change the theme of your Word app. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below.
We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.